Welcome to my channel. Adil Profit Joy is your primary source of information for all things financial and investing. I'm Adil. Today we will look at frugal living, which is important for anyone trying to take control of their finances. Living frugally does not imply affecting your quality of life. It entails being intelligent with your money and making intelligent choices that match with your financial goals. So without further ado, here are 10 simple strategies to start living frugally in 2024. Number 1. Create a budget. Creating a budget is the foundation of intelligent living. Initiate with keeping track your expenses and creating a budget that prioritizes your needs and savings goals. Spend an amount of your income to basic needs such as utilities, housing, food options, and transportation, and save the remaining sum for emergencies and other expenses. Number 2. Minimize unneeded expenditures. Take a careful look at your spending and find out areas where you may cut back. This may involve cancelling unimportant payments, eating out less regularly, or finding cheaper alternatives to daily activities. Limit impulse purchases and point out spending on items that give value to your life. Number 3. Embrace minimalism. Living a minimalist lifestyle might help you appreciate what you already have and lessen your need for superfluous purchases. Consider owning fewer, higher quality objects that offer you delight and have a purpose. Declutter your home on a regular basis and avoid the urge to amass superfluous items. Number 4. Meal prep. Dining out can easily empty your bank account. Save money by preparing your meals prior to time, buying goods in large quantities, and cooking at home whenever possible. Experiment with cost-effective and nutritious meals and try packing your lunch for work or school to avoid costly takeout options. Number 5. Shop smart. Before making a purchase, constantly compare costs and look for specials or discounts. Consider purchasing generic goods, shopping at charity stores, and using coupons to stretch your budget further. Avoid buying while you are bored or emotional, as this might lead to impulse purchases that deplete your budget. Number 6. DIY whenever possible. Instead of paying for services such as house repairs or car upkeep, learn how to do it yourself. You will not only save money but also learn essential skills. Make use of online instructions and tools to undertake DIY tasks with confidence. Number 7. Prioritize savings. Make saving a priority by allocating a share of your income each month, whether it's for an emergency, your retirement, or a specific financial goal. Having a savings balance will provide you confidence and stability. Schedule your savings contributions to ensure regularity and reduce the temptation to spend. Number 8. Use cashback apps. When shopping, take advantage of cashback apps and incentive programs. Whether you are earning credit card points or scanning receipt for cashbacks, every little bit counts over time. Research several cashback offers and select the ones that correspond to your buying habits and interests. Number 9. Consider decreasing your living space. To save money on rent or mortgage payments, you will save money on housing, utilities, and upkeep. Evaluate your present living arrangement and decide whether downsizing is a viable choice for you. Number 10. Finally, remember to be grateful for what you have and careful of your spending habits. Cultivating a grateful mindset can help you discover delight in the simplest of things and resist the impulse to spend more money. Take some time to reflect on your financial goals. Celebrate your accomplishment, no matter how modest. And there you have it, 10 simple steps to begin frugal living in 2024. Incorporating these tactics into your everyday routine will help you save money, minimize financial stress, and achieve your long-term financial objectives. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance and investment tips. And remember to hit the notification bell. Until next time, happy saving.